Tell your story in just a few taps with Osmo Pocket Story Mode. Press and hold the function button to power on the Osmo Pocket. Connect the Osmo Pocket and mobile phone with the smartphone adapter. Then DJI Mimo app will launch automatically. Slide the screen to choose Story and select one of the mini templates, such as Leisure, Fashion, Cut, or Lively. Check out the demo video on the left side to learn the specific shooting details. Have you selected a template? Now tap Start. Switch between gimbal modes by tapping the gimbal quick settings. After the beauty function is enabled, the beautification parameters can be adjusted. After the template is selected, tap the shutter button to start capturing, and the gimbal will rotate based on the preset directions. At the same time, each clip will automatically have the corresponding background music added. After shooting, you can quickly preview or delete it and capture it again. Repeat the above steps to complete the shooting of all the storyboards. Rotate the handle to switch between scenes. After shooting, a video will be automatically generated in the app. Then you can save it to your phone's photo album and share it. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.